Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Judicial Success. So today we are going to announce something big. We are going to start a new foundation batch for Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha Civil Judge for the new upcoming vacancies. So we are providing you with 3 courses. First, foundation batch. Second, crash course. Third, judgment writing. Our foundation batch includes comprehensive discussions on conceptual topics in lectures, which are going to be happen twice in a day. It will cover all the important sections which are going to ask in prelims. Plus, it includes various blocks. For example, regular text will be taken, GK class will also going to be happen, mains questions will also be discussed during the classes, as well as the mains test will also be conducted. The most important thing which are a part of a mains for MP Civil Judge is translations and essay. So we are also going to discuss the translation and the essay. Our foundation course also includes the interview sessions. Plus, our classes are going to be happen on our own exclusive batch, Judicial Success. There you will also watch the recorded lectures again and again, and test will also going to be conducted on the same platform, that is on an exclusive batch. Second course is crash course. This course is available to those people who have already given some exam, prelims or mains and acquire some kind of an experiences. So this course will help them for their continuous study in a revision classes. So we will provide them 2 lectures per day for law, GK sessions, test series, translations and essay discussions. The last course which are going to be provided, the judgment writing. This is a separate course plus what includes in it. It includes the explanation and the application of the sections in the criminal and the civil judgments, proper marshalling and appreciation of the evidences, plus written material of the judgments are also going to be provided. And the last thing, test. We will also going to conduct a test of judgment writing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. And if you want to join any of these courses, you can contact the number just displayed on the screen. Thank you so much.